Hello everyone, welcome to BrainSpark Riddles, where the fun never stops. Welcome to the Ultimate Sound Challenge. Can you guess the logo just by hearing it sound? We have 14 questions and you have only 10 seconds to guess each one. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to BrainSpark Riddles for more exciting challenges. Let's dive into the video. Can you guess this logo? Right answer is 20th Century Fox. Do you know this logo? Right answer is Coca-Cola. Which logo is this? Right answer is Cartoon Network. Can you recognize this logo? Right answer is Walt Disney. Can you guess this logo? Right answer is McDonald's. Do you know this logo? Right answer is KFC. Which logo is this? Right answer is Mountain Dew. Can you recognize this logo? Right answer is Burger King. Which logo is this? Right answer is Pringles. Can you guess this logo? Right answer is Snapchat. Do you know this logo? Right answer is Nokia. Which logo is this? Right answer is Netflix. Do you know this logo? Right answer is TikTok. Do you know this logo? Right answer is Windows. Thanks for playing with us. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BrainSpark Riddles for more awesome videos.